Junior Vans.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
My name is Philip Porgatz.
Hi, I'm Alessandra Chufo.
My name is Riley.
My name is Sabrina Saylor.
Hi, I'm Mia.
I'm Olivia.
Hi, I'm Brendan.
My name is Juliet.
I'm Grace Tick.
I'm Thomas Austin.
And I'm a member of Rose Hill Society.
And I'm a member of Rose Hill Society.
And I'm lucky enough to be a member
Of Rose Hill Society.
And I'm a member of the Rose Hill Society.
Being part of RHS allows me to get prospective students to fall in love with the school that I've fallen in love with so dearly over these past 4 years.
What I love about RHS is the opportunity to meet new students and parents and tell them about why I love Fordham, why they'll love Fordham, and help them to make informed college decisions in the future.
The Rose Hill Society is one of my favorite organizations on campus.
The reason that I do RHS is because I absolutely love Fordham and I want to be able to show prospective students and their families how great Fordham is.
I chose Fordham because of the tour I received from RHS members.
I love hearing about their interests in their high school experiences and applying it to where they could further those interests in college at Fordham as well.
I joined RHS with the hopes of always showing my passion and love for Fordham and helping new prospective students find their way to Fordham the way I did.
You can actually be the face of Fordham University to any potential students.
Tour guides are what really puts a human face to your school, and they're the people who can answer any questions you have.
I get to tell new people all the time about what drove me to Fordham in the first place and why it's still the best decision of my life.
So you might be asking, what do I have to do to become a Hall Buddy? The usual role of Hall Buddies is to showcase their really cool, really amazing dorms to prospective students and their families. To be a Hall Buddy, you must be two things. One, you must be an incoming freshman. And two, you must be excited and super willing to share your Fordham experience. You have the opportunity to become a full-time ambassador in the spring.
You should join RHS because it's such a great way to share your love of Fordham, and it's so awesome to meet other people who feel the same way about the school as you do.
Obviously, it's been lots of fun. I've made many great friends, and I love what I do.
The connections you make and the relationships you build with other tour guides, prospective students, and the Fordham community are why I've been in RHS for the past 3 years.
I found that job recruiters will often ask me about my responsibilities in the club and are very impressed with my involvement.
It really is the best way to give back to the university that has given so much to me.
Oh, you should join Rose Hill Society if you love Fordham. If you want to show people how much you love Fordham, that's definitely the place for you to be.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.